In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite external users to a Slack channel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to make sure your guests can join the right conversation quickly and securely. First, open Slack and navigate to the channel where you want the external person to participate. You can find it in your sidebar or use the search bar if it's buried in a long list. Make sure you're in the specific channel where the collaboration should happen, because your guest will only see the messages and files that live in that channel. At the top of the channel window, click the channel's name. This opens the Channel Details panel, which is where you manage settings and people. Think of this as the control center for everything related to that channel. Inside the Details panel, go to the Members section. This area shows everyone who currently has access, so it's a good place to double-check you're adding the right person to the right space, especially if multiple teams or clients are involved. Next, click Add People. This is your gateway to bringing new collaborators into the conversation. Depending on your workspace settings, you might see slightly different wording, but the button will be clearly labeled to add or invite people to the channel. In the Add field, start typing the person's name if they already have a Slack account in your organization. If they're truly external and not part of your workspace yet, type their email address. Slack will recognize that they're new and treat them as a guest invite. Keep in mind, some organizations restrict which email domains can be invited, and some require an admin to approve external guests. If you see a notice about approval, that's normal. Your invite will be queued for review. It can help to include the context of why they're being added in any optional message field, so approvers understand the purpose. When you're ready, click Add. This sends the invite and, once accepted, the external user will appear in the members list and can start collaborating. They'll only see content in this channel, and their access level is determined by your organization's settings. If you don't see the Add People option or the button is grayed out, you may not have permission to invite guests, so reach out to your workspace admin. That's it. You went to the channel, opened the channel details, checked members, clicked Add People, entered their name or email, and confirmed by clicking Add. With that, you're set to bring the right partners into the right Slack channel and keep the